So I can see stuff going up in the air and then falling like rain, and it's cycling and cycling and cycling. And getting depleted. So is that about the water? The water's getting depleted. Even though we think water is infinitely recyclable, it's not. And I don't know how we're losing it, but we're losing it. Because we thought, you know, we all learnt the water cycle at school. I should think most of us did. That, you know, you have the water evaporates, it goes up, forms clouds, it rains. So this was a cycle that cleaned the water itself and then gave the water back to us clean. But it's somehow getting depleted. So I don't know how we're losing water off the planet, but we are. I don't know how the heck we manage that, because that is seriously against nature, isn't it? Okay, we don't know how we did it. But is that down to agriculture? Blimey. Okay, that's it then.